Today we're going to work with some plaques, and my plaque looks like this. You can get plaques at craft stores, things like Hobby Lobby, Kirkland's, Michael's, the home store. You can find them at, Goodwill, garage sales. This one's a Goodwill find. Normal price was $7.99. And it's 50% off day because I don't pay that for crafts, so $4. Now what I like about this is it has a hanger, but more importantly it has this space here where we can decide if we want to do a silhouette, if we want to do a Halloween message or some type of creepy picture. But this is a project that you can use a lot of different things for. All you need to do is have something that's kind of decorative or has like really intricate border, Gothic or Victorian style, and then some type of smooth surface in the center. Now you can find all kinds of things like this. Check out your garden departments if you're not finding it around the home decor items. So first thing you're going to do is start out with paint. Now it's going to be Halloween type colors. I'm going to use my Deco Art Americana. These are $1.19 at Michael's. I'm going to mix some purple. I've got black, and I've also got silver, so we'll kind of see as I'm painting this where I want to put what. I am using my Artist Lost brushes. They come in a large pack from Michael's. They were on sale for $9.99. I think normally they're $14.99. Watch out too for your coupons that you'll always get from Michael's. And I like that it has all the different sizes and shapes because of all these different things that I find. I never know what I'm going to pick up. And then I myself use construction paper. This is construction paper I got from Dollar Tree. I use this to put my paint on, and I also use it to put these items on while I'm painting to protect the tablecloth. Another thing to look for when you are going to be painting is things like this, to where it has like just the plaster or just the porcelain outside, no kind of glossy finish, because your paint's gonna stick much better to these items. And then also look for things that have, like here, how you have not just basic shapes, but a lot of different little shapes inside the molding. This will be places you can add more color to and really bring out the detail and make these look a lot more elaborate. All right, so first we're gonna start with the paint. I'm going to lay down my protective piece. It's going to be this. I actually need two of these. I'll lay these down for my paint. And then what I do is I take the back cover of the construction paper, lay a sheet of construction paper on it, and then this is where I put my paints out. I'm going to start with black. That's going to be my frame detail. And I'm just going to get a little bit on the brush and then just start filling in. Alright, so I have my piece painted in. I've been working on it a little bit at a time each day. Did blacks, purples, some silver all around here. And then what I noticed is this, to me, looks like a snake head, this top piece. So I painted it out purple, then kind of carried this over almost like the tail. And then I'm going to put little red slashes like it's the snake eyes. And then for the center, since I have all my witch theme stuff, I'm going to do a witch silhouette in here, like it's a picture. So you can go online and find a lot of different silhouettes. Now some of the images are protected. If you go to print them and they're too small, you can pull it up on the screen like I did and just trace this image on a sheet of white paper. That's going to make your stencil. I'll show you how it turned out. Okay, here's my image. So now I'm going to cut it. You have to cut from inside out so you can make a stencil. And then once I cut it, I'll lay it down onto my little center here. And I will first try to copy as much as I can out with like a Sharpie and then fill in with paint because it has some small little details to it. As you can see, I have the stencil finished up here. Again, if you use the Sharpie, it's a lot easier to get all these fine details. You can go over it with paint if you'd like. But I also like the Sharpie because it makes it a little more shiny versus the matte black that I used. The only other supply that I had to add is I liked the green contrast. That was the little deco art paints you get at Michael's. They're only like $1.19 normally. So all in all, it's a little bit tedious if you pick something with so much detail, but maybe a few hours. And then I added the little eyes for the guy who looks like a snake. So again, yours won't look exact, but just try to find something similar. You can do that at places like Hobby Lobby, the home store, Kirkland's, Goodwill, your garage sales, and if you want to share yours, post it below. This will be on the Instagram, you can too, and I will see you guys on the next project.